Hey guys, this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a Gmail account.
So let's start by selecting a web browser. You may have Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Just go ahead and click on any web browser that you may have. And in the address bar at the top of the window, type in gmail.com. Depending on your browser, you're either going to see a page like this or like this. Either way, go ahead and click on Create Account. If you are on this page when you click Create Account, you will be asked if it's for myself or to manage my business. Next, fill in your first name, last name, username, and password. Keep in mind that the username that you select is going to be your Gmail address and cannot be changed, so choose something that you really like. Also, when picking a password, it's always a good practice to mix letters, numbers, and symbols, as this will give you the strongest password possible. And please don't forget to keep your passwords in a safe, secure place. When you're finished, click Next. Now, depending on your browser, you may see a pop-up asking if you want to save the password. This is up to you, but for this demonstration, I'm going to click Don't Save. Next, you can enter your phone number, and if you have a secondary email, enter it in the recovery email address. I would recommend filling this out as it adds a little more security and it will make it easier to access your account if you lose or forget your password. But this is optional and you can always fill this in at a later time. Finish by entering your date of birth, gender, and click Next. Take a moment to review the terms of service, and once you're all finished, click on I agree. And that's it. Welcome to your new Gmail account.
If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like, or if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'm also going to include some ways on how you can help support and grow this channel down in the description box. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.